Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on combining groups. Smaller groups can be combined together to form larger groups. Consider the following groups. So there's Group 1, Group 2, Group 3 and Group 4. Students could be asked questions like this. Write down the number of fruits in each group. So they would write their answer here. And you're able to give the students many examples like this. And we'll see in a moment why this is a very, very important skill. I've repeated the groups on the previous slide for ease of reference, so they're exactly the same. Now here's another question we can ask students. Combine the following groups and find the total fruits contained in them. So they'll add those two groups, put the answer there, add those two and put the answer there, add those two and put the answer there, add groups 2 and 3, put the answer there, and add groups 3 and 4 and put the answer there. Now, while this seems like a very basic and straightforward exercise, as the students move in their school career and they move on to the higher classes, they will start to be introduced to a topic called algebra, and which involves letters. So doing group work like this is a very, very important prerequisite skill for success later on in the area of algebra. For the following groups of marbles, colour each group as follows. So there's Group 1, Group 2, Group 3 and Group 4, and these are the colours for each group. So students love colouring in, so they'll enjoy doing that. And then they could be asked, what is the total number of marbles in the 4 groups? So I've just given you some really basic examples here on group work, and I'm sure you can provide the students with many, many other examples and many more opportunities to engage in exercises involving groups.